Hello everyone. So if you want to use your SD card as an internal storage on your Android, so all the new applications are gonna be installed right there, here's how to do that. So first of all, let's open up our settings. After that, we gotta scroll down right to our About Phone tab. There it is, open it up. Here we gotta locate our software information. Let's choose it. Then locate your build number and let's tap 7 times on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we gotta confirm our identity by entering our PIN, pattern, or password. And then we gotta give it permission to allow developer settings. We need this to perform the further action. So press OK. We've got a pop-up message that developer mode has been turned on. So let's go back to our main settings. Then scroll down to the very bottom, and there you will locate developer options. On other Android phones, usually it's in the System tab. So there it is. Here you can scroll through it, or I will use a search bar because it's more comfortable. We gotta locate our force allow apps on external option. So force allow apps on external. There we are. So there it is. Now let's tap on the switch. Basically, it makes any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. That's what we wanted to get basically. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Goodbye.